All right, let's take a look at ProLine's web forms. Web forms are a feature in ProLine that can be used to collect both leads and schedule events. So you can use these as booking pages to replace something like Calendly or something or other tools that are often used for scheduling. And you can actually embed this right on your website. So you can embed this is an example of the shareable form here, but you can also embed these straight onto your website using this code. And you can have them schedule an event like this, where they're going to pick a date and time and then fill out the form, or you can send them straight to the form itself. So you have some options here on how you want to use the web forms. But the real heavy hitter here is the ability to just collect an event, and this takes into account all the availability inside your ProLine account and on your external calendars through a two-way calendar integration. So this is going to take all that into account and can book. It also will optimize if you want to add multiple assignees. So if you have a whole sales team, you can optimize for different assignees, at different locations. So even if you have multiple different locations, ProLine's going to both route the appointment to the right location and schedule it and optimize for an even distribution between your different sales reps that you have on that list. So very effective way of getting appointments on the calendar very quickly right off of your website. You can control the colors and also whether or not you want to collect an address. So you can toggle on or off the address feature. So now we are collecting an address as well as kind of basic information. And then we also have control over what stage they're going to go into in ProLine, what we want them to be tagged, what the lead source is, all of that stuff as well. So we can do a lot of routing based on these leads coming in, make sure they go to the right place. If you are using just the regular form and not scheduling an event, you can select a speed to lead campaign. And then in addition to that, you can actually take these forms. So this is a really good use case, is using the schedule event feature to make this into a booking page. And then you can share these dynamic share links that will share for a project. So for example, here, if I want to do it, I want to schedule for a specific member of my team, I can do that, or I can just do for a specific project. And then I can go into my speed to lead campaigns. And for example, if I have leads coming in from Angie, I can go into these messages, these emails, for example, and I can just say, please use this link to schedule with our team. I'm just going to put that right in there. And now that not only is that going to send that scheduling link, but it's actually going to book them into the existing project. So it's not creating any kind of duplicate projects or anything like that. So really good tool there for collecting appointments and or leads, regardless of where you want to get them. Again, you can embed that straight onto either of these straight onto your website, or you can use the more direct share link that goes to our hosted page here. And that will have your logo here at the top. And so that makes it easy to use these forms for a lot of different purposes.